Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Snapseed application for your PC. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded an Android emulator on your PC. If you haven't done so already, then you can go visit bluestacks.com Android emulators webpage and then download a BlueStacks Android emulator, select any version that you'd want and install it on your PC. You can also check out our other videos on the channel on how you can download the BlueStacks Android emulator. So once you open up the Android emulator, also make sure that you have a Google account and log into your Google account by entering your email address and password. After you get to this main home page, click on this Google Play Store button to open up Google Play Store for your PC. Now, go to the search box at the top once you open up the Google Play Store and type in Snapseed inside the search box. You will then see the search result on the screen. Click the Install button right under the Snapseed application and wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. So also make sure that you are connected to a stable internet so that you can download the application easier and faster. Wait for the Snapseed application to download, which will take a couple of minutes, and then once it is done, you will be able to launch open Snapseed application on your PC using BlueStacks Android emulator. Once the application is installed, click on Open and there you have your Snapseed application installed on your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.